Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to check the vehicle health. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the car icon, this blue icon right here. From the left tab, let's select the last one, which is the vehicle information. As you can see in the first tab of this section, we've got information about the vehicle. And here we can check out two things. The one thing is vehicle health check. So a status indicator confirming that the vehicle is in good condition in my case. If it's green, it means that everything is alright. You can also check out the vehicle health score. This is numerical rating representing the overall condition of the vehicle. 100 indicates perfect health. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.